Hey everyone.
Hello.
Oh,
Yes.
do you know where does monkey lives?
Tree.
Tree. Monkey कहाँ पे रहता है?
In a tree.
Tree. Yes. और tree के ऊपर वो क्या करता है?
Jump.
Jump करता है. Yes. Monkey lives on.
Tree.
Monkey lives on.
Tree.
और ये हम कौन से क्लास के लिए वीडियो बना रहे हैं?
UKGM.
UKG. Yes. So monkey lives on
Tree.
tree. Yes. Monkey lives on
Tree.
tree. Say thank you and bye bye to friends.
Bye.
See you
Next week.
Yes. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. Oh, have you seen monkey?
Yes.
Yes. And have you seen monkey? Tell us in the comment section below. Take care.
Monkey do it all like this.
Yes, monkey do like this. दोबारा करो कैसे कैसे? Yes. Thank you. Love you all. Give heart to your friends. Give heart. Yeah, like that.